Hello, in front of me I've got Alcatel T1 10 Smart. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. And now enter security. Go to screen lock. And as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with none. None and swipe are actually non-security screen locks. Now go to password, and to create password, enter at least 4 characters. Now use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select PIN number, and to create PIN, enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create pattern you have to connect at least 4 dots. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.